What if I told you there are 6 short sentences that could make you mentally unshakable? No 5 a.m. meditations, no freezing mountaintop rituals, just Stoic cheat codes, words that armor your brain like it's built for battle. The Stoics weren't motivational speakers. They were warriors, emperors, survivors of chaos, and they stayed calm when the world went wild. Now, we steal their mindset. This is easy mode. Here are 6 things you need to tell yourself every single day. Let's activate Stoic mode. First, I don't control everything, but I control how I respond. Most people waste energy on things they can't control. Weather, traffic, someone's random opinion. That one dumb DM easy mode hack? Ask yourself, is this within my control? If yes, do something. If not, let it go. Control is your superpower. Don't give it away. Second, today I might get insulted, and that's okay. Marcus Aurelius literally started his day expecting jerks. He wrote, I will meet selfish, annoying, arrogant people today, so when chaos arrived, he didn't flinch. Tell yourself, someone's going to test me today. It's not personal, it's practice. Third, pain is part of the process. Seneca said, difficulties strengthen the mind, like the gym strengthens the body. So next time you feel the discomfort, say, this is the representative. Pain isn't punishment, it's progress. Fourth, most of what I fear is just imagination. Half your stress is fiction. What if this fails? What if they judge me? What if I'm not good enough? Do a fear scan? What's the worst that could actually happen? 9 out of 10 times, the monster in your mind is made of paper. Fifth, I already have enough. You've got a phone, a brain, a shot at today. You're not broken. You're just distracted by shiny things. Try this. List 3 things you're grateful for right now. Don't scroll. Just think. Gratitude isn't soft. It's mental armor. Sixth, this could be my last day, so I better live it. The Stoics said, memento mori. Remember death, not to be dramatic, but to be focused. Ask yourself, if today was my final 24 hours, would I still do what I'm doing right now? If the answer is no, change it. Let's run it back. 1. Control your response. 2. Expect chaos. 3. Take the rep. 4. Fear is fiction. 5. You already have enough. 6. Today matters. Repeat these every day, not to sound wise, but to become unshakable. You don't need more motivation. You need reminders that your brain was built for this. Which one hit hardest? Drop your favorite in the comments. I read every single one. Like this video if your brain just leveled up. Subscribe for more cheat codes to upgrade your human software. Until next time, Stoic mode activated. Study smart, think deep, live strong.